Here is Amelia at the swimming pool. Go ahead, Amelia. Woohoo! And she swims back. Janacy told me she wanted me to get her on camera, so we are. Hey, TG.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Hi, Tris. It's Amelia's birthday.
Wait by the wall until the person in front of you goes. You're gonna be.
You won't drown. You'll be great.
Yep.
You can do it.
It's so much fun.
Woo! Good job.
Hey,
Okay, here
did
comes.
Good
Oh,
job.
Amelia just skipped. Amelia just skipped that girl, Joe.
Sorry.
Here comes Amelia.
Okay, do a little spin.
Can I do it again?